what really causes relationship problems. The most of the relationship problems, 90% of them comes from fear. Attachment style is to be blamed. If someone has an anxious attachment style or a disorganized attachment style, it makes their relationship very chaotic. If someone is very anxious to attach, want to be attached all the time, and fears when someone doesn't show them love, it leads to a deep sense of shame, chronic trauma within, and constant approval seeking and validation. So, series of behaviors which makes them feel very low about themselves. Abandonment fears comes next, where they feel anybody that they love will leave them. This can come from childhood neglect or inconsistent parenting, or in the previous relationship when they have experienced people leaving them and going away for no reason, ghosting, not giving them a closure, or being very inconsistently attached to them, giving them a chronic sense of confusion within, and thereby the fear of abandonment for that person feels very real. These things leads to a lot of coping mechanisms inside the brain. This happens in a way of repeated thoughts to check, to make sure if everything is going all right. Manifests as relationship OCD, where there are constant thoughts of am I enough? Is my partner enough? Is my love enough? Is everything going okay? Is my feelings true towards the partner? Does my partner really love me? Is everything going okay? Should I check once more? And these leads to a lot of toxic behaviors and intense attachment problems. This can feel a lot overwhelming for the person who's experiencing this as well as the partner, furthermore leading to toxicity in the relationships and difficulty to manage the chaos. If you or someone you know is having these problems, please know that you're not broken. It mostly is coming from a dysregulated nervous system, which needs to learn to regulate. You need to learn to understand through self reflection, introspection, journaling, working with your emotions, not giving into your compulsions, and thereby healing is definitely possible.